Okay, let's try and drink more coffee and go again after that disaster. That went a bit, wow, dangerous. So who can we watch? Sauerkraut. So this is bullet chess. So E7 looks like a major problem. Yes. Is he going to have a rematch? Okay, against the IM. Okay, so sort of Benoni in reverse. Sitting B3. Where did he get that Benoni reverse? Knight C4, Knight C3, Knight F3. Okay, there was a quick D4 from black. Queen B4 next. No idea. Yes, C6 tactically. What is it doing? Oh, winning B3. Okay. Oh, that diagonal dangerous. Oh, this is aggressive stuff. A rook, free rook. Oh no, not free rook. Amazing. Going to lose on time though. I think the IM's more awake, or faster connection. I think faster connection. What's going on here between them anyway? If we do a history. Alright. Okay, it's the first time for all they're playing. Oh, this looks... What's... Oh dear. That looks really aggressive. What was that? Okay. Oh no, not unicorn again. Okay. Maybe chance for revenge or something. Or maybe get another kicking. I'll play maybe open Sicilian. Trying to compliment Maróczy bind. So this is... Oh, I don't know why my hover over is not working. It's going to double my pawns. H6, interesting. Wouldn't have immediately thought of H6 as a great move, sort of potentially weakening the king. Okay. I'll try and get this diagonal working. Maybe Queen E1 and C4. Queen E1 for C4. Actually, that protects against Queen B6. Well, I had Bishop E3 anyway. Maybe I'd better slow down here. This guy's really quite dangerous. Knight E3 comes to mind now. Or C4. This bishop being loose doesn't really inspire too much confidence. So I don't know, Knight E3 first. The sort of discoveries on this bishop. Okay, Knight E3 first, maybe. It's a horrible discovery on this loose piece. Yeah. So if the bishop moves back, I can't play f5 because I'm knight e5. That bishop a3, attacking the rook, rook e8. Doesn't really do much, but then rook d1 maybe. Or rook d1, queen a5 on c3 and a3. Let's get this king out of trouble, maybe king h1. c4. I think king h1 with the idea of c4. That will avoid queen b6 being an issue. Mind you, there's knight g3 check if he wants to pick up the bishop. I could just try and protect this bishop for a moment. Bishop c2. d4 looks a bit vicious. There's no win, is it, this situation? This loose bishop is such a pain. Bishop b1, d4. Bishop c2, d4. Still painful in lines here. cd, queen d4. Rook b1. Well, the cd, knight d4. What about bishop a3 then? Bishop a3 just to try and get these bits out. And rook d1. I think queen a5 is bishop b4 to address that. So rook d1 here. At least solves this loose bishop issue for a moment. So bishop b4 here. So I got knight d5 on the cards. He plays queen d8, otherwise knight d5. Alright, he's pinning that, okay. Unpin. So again, knight d5 is potentially on the cards. So knight d5 is protecting this tactically. Because of rook d1. Knight d5, rook d5, bishop e4, it's rook d1. And this says hang on, bishop h7 there. It's bishop e4, queen e4. That's worth considering. Knight d5, rook d5, bishop e4, rook d1, bishop h7. Okay, let's go for that. So then there's queen e4 protecting b4 as well. So yeah, I thought d5 was a bit loose. That seems to be good for a moment, this position. Okay, so queen takes g3 here. And then bishop h7 just winning d5. I don't think I need to play HG or anything, just Queen G3 will do. Seems to have blundered the piece. Don't think that helps, Knight G3. Oh, revenge is sweet if I can win this game. It looks pretty good so far. It's winning a piece. At move 22 against someone that's absolutely massacred me in the game before. Alright, so I just take on D5, don't I? Rook up. Yep, he's resigned. Got a few points back. I'll say thanks for the game. Okay. Yeah. I thought I was in for another caning, to be honest. So I'm glad about this Bishop B4 resource, because otherwise that was a problem. So Bishop B4 helped solve a big problem there. And now Black was faced with a big problem with D5. So tactically that's working out, because Réti won this Bishop H7 check, and then he just blunders a piece. Comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks so much.